in collaboration with CWT Foam Cutter. Welcome to SignCut's Foam Cutting Quick Start Guide. Let's get started. In SignCut Draw, begin by creating a simple text using the text tool. Set the text size by changing the value here. Go to the Production tab to set up the graphics for cutting. Then click the icon here to change to the foam cutting workspace. Click over here to add a frame to your graphics. You can click the divide icon here on the top toolbar. This tool splits your design into sections, ideal if you're working with large format signs. Now that the design is sectioned, we can arrange the tiles to fit the board. You can set cutting bridges by using this tool over here. Clicking the check icon automatically adds bridges to your design. You can reposition the bridges by using a click, drag, release motion. Bridges automatically snap to corners. In SignCut Draw, you can also set the starting point of the cutting. To do this, hover your cursor to the upper left corner of your graphics. When you see a green circle appears, right-click, then choose Connect to Left Sheet Side. This will bridge the design to the left side of the board and the starting point of the cutting. After setting up your design, you can export it to SignCut Pro 2 by clicking this icon. Before sending the cutting job to the CWT cutter, click the Jog Machine button here to set the machine origin. The Jog dialog will appear where you can remotely control the foam cutter and set the origin using SignCut Pro 2. After setting up the origin point, click the cutout icon. In SignCut Pro 2, you can also adjust the machine cutting speed by going to the Tool Settings tab. Then enable the Use Software Force and Speed parameters to override the values set on the machine. Click the Apply button to update the settings. You can also check the cutting sequence of your design on the preview. Once you are all set, click the Cutout button to send the job to the machine and begin cutting. Visit and follow SignCut Academy on YouTube to learn more about the software and sign making. Happy cutting!